Making your first $1,000 online is one of the first big milestones you pass as a young entrepreneur. Now, for me, this was around 2 years ago, and it was precisely the moment when I realized, hey, this making money online stuff is for real, it's possible, and I can do it just like all of these other people that are making money online. Now, when you scroll through YouTube, oftentimes you're going to see many videos talking about how to make $100,000 a month or how to make 10K a month every single month. And I've made a few videos like this myself, but I realize not many people talk about that first big milestone because oftentimes that first hurdle is the hardest to surpass, not just mentally and getting the belief that, hey, this is something I can do, but also just actually getting enough sales to make $1,000. So in this video, I want to talk about how you can make your first $1,000 on TikTok. The reason I picked TikTok is, in all honesty, it is the biggest opportunity right now to make money online. It could potentially get banned, but we still have up to 6 months of possibility and opportunity to make some money on it. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about the 3 different avenues that you can take to make your first $1,000 on TikTok. The first of which is being a TikTok shop affiliate. Second of which is joining the creativity program beta. And third is creating your own TikTok shop. So first of which, let's start with the creativity program beta. This one is something that you don't need to have any upfront investment for. You don't need to have any money to join the creativity program beta, but you need to have at least 10,000 followers on TikTok and 100,000 views within the last 30 days. Now, this is something that you can get pretty quickly if you buy someone else's account. I don't recommend buying accounts, but we're trying to get there as fast as possible. So if you're able to buy someone's account who already has over 10,000 followers, already has 100,000 views, but if you've never created content on TikTok, then you're not going to know how to create that content anyway. So for the most part, I would recommend this if you already have the 10,000 followers, but you just aren't sure of how to monetize your TikTok. With the creativity program beta, it's actually been changed to the creator rewards program, which I posted a video about, and my last video is all about it. You can now get rewarded for content that is over 1 minute long. Not only does it need to hit the For You page, but if you have content that is high in search value, you're going to get rewarded more on it. So if you have experience creating videos on Instagram, on YouTube Shorts, this right here is perfect for you. Start creating those videos from today. Create 2 to 3 to 4 videos a day. If you already make content that's short, just extend it to 1 minute long. It's going to take some practice. It's going to be a bit difficult. If you want specific tips and advice on how to go about this, I documented my whole journey on the creativity program beta. It's not the creativity program beta. I have to keep reminding myself now it's the creator rewards program, but I have my entire journey documented there where I share a lot of things that helped me get that huge super viral video that got over 43 million views and earned me over $5,000 just from one video. So if you love content, this right here is perfect for you. Now, if you don't have those 10,000 followers, if you don't have the 100,000 views, but you have 5,000 followers, you can become a TikTok shop affiliate. Now, even this requirement of the 5,000 followers, there's many videos out there on YouTube showing you how to go around and become an affiliate. And this is something I've seen myself, become an affiliate with less than 5,000 followers. Now, once you are in the program and you are an affiliate, I recommend scrolling TikTok shop for a bit, taking some time to browse through it, see everything that's on offer, and try to pick out a couple products that make sense for you, things that you would actually use in real life. Not just, oh, this is a very popular product, I'm going to pick it. Something that you would actually use and you would know how to create content for it. Once you find that one product, actually shouldn't be one, it should be 3 to 4 products so you can test things out. Make sure the commission rate on them is decent. Something I've personally noticed with being a TikTok shop affiliate is most of the time, if the product is very expensive, say $100 product, you may be able to earn $10 to $20 in commission from it. But then that is going to be a harder sell, right? If to sell a $100 product on TikTok, you're going to need to create a lot of content and a lot of it needs to be very, very good. However, if the commission is higher, you don't need to sell as much. But if the commission is lower, which is what it is for the most part, sometimes it's $3 to $5 to $7, you're gonna need to make a lot more sales. They're gonna be easier to make, but you're gonna need a larger amount of them. Now, all we wanna do is hit our first $1,000. That's our whole objective here. Don't think about 10K Don't think about 100K. Try to just take it step by step. Find a product that is going to give you $10 in commission. Once you get that product, make 2 to 3 videos for it every single day. TikTok is still pushing pieces of content that have the shop link because they want to generate more sales on TikTok shop. So the algorithm is going to be on your side here. Try to create content that is outwardly selling the product, but then also create content that has more so product placement. You using the product, you making it get ready with me, but including the product in the video. You showing a day in your life, but for example, if it's a coffee product, showing you using that product to make coffee quicker than it would normally be, right? So it can give it that value that customers or viewers are going to say, okay, let me go buy that without feeling like they're being forced to or being sold to pretty hard, because everyone wants to avoid a hard sell. I think that after a week or two of creating 2 to 3 videos every day, one of them is guaranteed to latch on. Remember, I told you pick 3 products. So every day you're making videos for different products. After 2 to 3 weeks, you're going to have posted around 20 to 30 pieces of content. I can almost guarantee you that as you slowly progress and get better, you are going to have that one video pop off. It's going to get a couple 100,000 views, maybe 1 million views, and it's going to generate at least $1,000 for you. And there you go. You've hit that first milestone. It might take a bit longer than that, right? Because anything that's worth it usually takes time. There's no such thing as quick money or free money, because that's a scam. So it might take you a month, maybe even a month and a half, but you are almost certain to hit that $1,000. And then last but not least, if you're someone who is not extremely familiar with creating content, but you've had a lot of success drop shipping, or you have your own brand that you sell on Shopify or WooCommerce or whatever hosting platform you use, you've had success with that product, it's almost a no-brainer that you then take that product and just start promoting it on TikTok. First part, you're just going to list it up. It can generate sales for you without you even creating content. But I always tell people in consultations and coaching, I always recommend create content as well, because this way you're just going to accelerate the process. Now, with good SEO, people are going to find it on the shop tab. With great content, they're also going to see it on their For You page. And then once you create more and more content that gets on the For You page, create an open plan so affiliates come to you. This way, your product is being seen in the shop tab, it's being seen from your own brand page promoting your product, and also you have other people giving you social proof and creating content for your product. And to give them a higher incentive, offer a higher commission rate. 10-15% should do the trick, especially if you offer a free sample. They're going to be more inclined to purchase from you. For my products, all I did was offer a free sample and 1% commission. And after creating enough content, I would still always have affiliates coming to me and asking to create content for me. Now, you can hit that first $1,000 strictly just from the shop tab. If you have good SEO, if it's a really good product, people are going to see it's going to get pushed and they're going to buy it. If you want to accelerate that process, create 2 to 3 videos a day trying to build the brand. Don't just promote the product. As I always say, don't just sell it. Talk a bit about how you came to creating this product. Talk about a day in the life of a small business owner where you just show them, hey, this is actually the product, this is the business that I own, and you show it the product slightly here and there. Create content using the product in your average day-to-day. And slowly, the content is going to get out there. People are going to comment on your videos, asking questions. How did you come to the idea of creating this product? How can you pack my order for me? What is one way that I can use this product, right? There's going to be a whole variety of different questions. People might even say, hey, I don't like how expensive this is. It's not worth it. You can then make a video explaining why this product is worth it, the work that goes into it. You can show your warehouse. I mean, there's just a million different avenues you can go down. To get that first $1,000, this way, it's probably going to take you, if you have a successful product already, a great product that you have in hand that you can create content about, honestly, it can take you like a week or two, right? Especially if you're doing, 10, 20,000 a month on your Shopify, this is might even take you a few days. The product is going to catch fire and is going to spread pretty quickly. From there, you can then scale it, obviously 10K, 100K a month, but for this video, we're going to stay at the 1,000 mark. Now, I gave you guys 3 different avenues in this video, But it's not the avenues that are difficult. It's the having the mental strength and the fortitude to try something totally new that you might say, hey, TikTok is an app for kids. I don't want to create content. It's not going to work out for me like it works out for others. That is the first mental block that you need to get through for us to make this a success, right? Usually it's not that things are, it's not that it's difficult to make money online, it's difficult to get sales online or convince people to buy your product. It's having enough belief to say people are going to buy from me. Sticking through to it for the first 2-3 weeks. I mean, for me on TikTok Shop, it took me about 3.5 weeks to finally start getting sales. But when it eventually happened, I had a video get 300k views, got about 100 orders within a few days, and all of that work was worth it. In the creativity program beta, it took me weeks, a month and a half to finally have a viral video, but that one viral video earned me over $5,000. As a TikTok Shop affiliate, I was creating affiliate content for my own shop. It took me a few posts to finally generate a couple 100,000 views and hundreds of sales. So this is something that is going to take time, but then the victory at the end of it is going to be so worth it. You're finally going to get over that mental break of, hey, I can actually make $1,000 online. From there, after you make the first 1,000, the 10,000 is going to seem achievable. Once you hit the 10,000, the 100k is going to seem achievable, and then the millions are going to look possible to you. Just like so many other people have been able to make millions of dollars from content, from e-commerce, you need to ask yourself, why not me? Not why do they make money, why did they get lucky, and all these different excuses, because at the end of the day, that's not going to put money in your pocket. So with that being said, guys, these are 3 different avenues that I suggest you pursue. And at the beginning, when you first start, just focus on one. Evaluate each of the 3. Think, which one am I most likely to be successful in? Which one caters to my strengths? Pick one of them and work on that one path, because I'm telling you guys, these are all viable and realistic paths. Work on that one path and continue on that journey until you hit 1,000. From there, if it wasn't enjoyable, if you didn't like it, if you think that you would be better off being an affiliate or creating your own shop or just creating content, then go down the other path. But just promise me to stick to one until you hit that first $1,000, because shiny object syndrome is our biggest enemy. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment down below telling me if this video is informative, if it was useful for you, if you're going to pursue one of these paths. You'll find my consultation link down below for a one-on-one for us to go in depth with anything TikTok related, anything TikTok Shop related, or content and e-commerce related. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.